If your mini-split air conditioner is showing E1, E3, and E4 errors, then today I will tell you how to fix them. So first, we will supply power to it. The first error has appeared on the display, which is the E1 error. When the E1 error appears on your air conditioner's display, it means there is an issue with the room temperature sensor. This sensor is connected through a specific connector, as you can see here. If the sensor becomes faulty, gets short-circuited, or if the error does not disappear even after replacing the sensor, it indicates that there is an issue with the PCB. In that case, you will need to either repair the PCB or replace it. Now, we will talk about the next error code. I will turn the power back on, and as you can see, the E3 error has appeared directly on the display. When the E3 error appears on the air conditioner, it means that the pipe sensor or pipe coil sensor has become faulty and needs to be replaced. Now, we will talk about the next error code, which is E4. I will turn on the power, and as you can see, the E4 error has appeared on the display. This means there is a feedback error from the fan motor of the indoor unit. Currently, I have disconnected the motor from its connector, and that is why it is showing the E4 error. However, if this error appears on your unit, it indicates that the fan motor is faulty. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.